Reg in New Hampshire says used car prices are still high, and in the wake of this, it seems like a growing sort of niche market has arisen. Rebuilt total loss cars. There are a number of dealerships that sell nothing but these. I have 3 credit unions. Only one will finance these with conditions such as 25% down and inspection by one of their inspectors. I think Clark should address this growing niche so buyers know what they're getting into. I've had one of these years ago, had it inspected and owned it until it dropped, and it was a great value for me. This is definitely caveat emptor territory.
Yeah, Reg, thank you so much for bringing this up. No one's asked about this in the last couple of years at least. So I have a friend who always has bought, always her whole car buying lifetime after her first vehicle that she bought new, ever since, she's always bought what are called salvage title cars, or different state DMVs use different terms for them. But vehicles that have been in a wreck, totaled by insurance, they then have kind of like a spoiled title. But the reason for the inspections and all that, you got to know what you're getting into, because a lot of insurers now will total a car that is no way is severely damaged. It could be as simple as the airbags deployed in the vehicle, and the insurer's like, they're done with this vehicle. So it's very possible, if you are very careful, like you're talking about, Reg, to buy a salvage title vehicle, the one that was totaled by an insurer, and have something that's safe to put on the road and you can feel comfortable with it. But you got to know what you're doing, because if not, you could end up with something that is nothing but trouble. The biggest area of hassle with salvage title vehicles, flood cars, because those are nothing but trouble for the entire time you would ever end up with one.